Chi Chinese printing for beginners. And the Chinese New Year of 2025 is coming up on January 29th. So Plum Blossom blossom in the winter time, so it's a lot of times being decorated and then featured in homes. So I'm going to do a plum blossom on a fan, so it's a quick, easy subject and very nice for a gift. So here is my dragon fan, and then I use one brush, which is our flow brush. And then I have two chip color. One is crimson, one is rouge, and then bass bottle ink. So these three items, and then my mixing plate, and with a paper towel for drying my brush. So first I rinse my brush, and then I'm wet the tip of the brush. By the way, this dragon fan, the moisture control is very easy, so it's perfect for beginners. So I dip my brush in the crimson and then tip with rouge. So this is a very simple flower. So I'm going to do a lot more red, crimson and top with rouge. Make sure, because the moisture is very easy, so you want to make sure that it's not too dry. Then tip with rouge and make sure the center is showing. So, and then I'm going to do a flower bud on the top of this flower. And then another bud on the side of the flower. And then I'm going to rinse the brush off and do the ink for the branches. So I will do a little dot as a calyx to hold the bud, and then also do a little dot here to hold the bud. And then here, from the center of the flower, and then I'm going to do a check mark here. And then on the check mark to hold that flower, and then I'm going to do a big branch here. And then there's a branch coming out from here. And then make sure that this branch and the angle connected on the second branch, the angle is on the sharp on this end, but very wide open, so it's not too 90 degree. So then on here, then I connect with another branch. So then I will have a little half. So make sure when you switch between color and an ink that is very clean. So I'm having a little tiny half open flower, and then here is a bud here. So then I'm going rinse my brush off and then going back to with the ink. So then I'm putting the calyx here, and then little dot on both sides to connect this one on here, and then I go another tiny brush and then going on here. All right, and then on this side I'm going to add a little bit branch on the top. Okay, I finished my plum blossom.